Apple is back with its latest flagship. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what cutting-edge features do we get with Apple's most premium smartphone yet? I'm Vanel Sylvester, and today, we're diving into a full review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max to see what makes it stand out. Design and build quality. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is where Apple debuts its latest innovations, and this year's model doesn't disappoint. You get a bigger display, a new chipset, an upgraded ultra-wide camera, and even a dedicated camera shutter button for photography enthusiasts. However, in terms of design, not much has changed. The phone retains the flat glass back, flat titanium frame, and matte finish, making it feel just as premium as before. It's slightly taller and heavier, but the difference is minimal. Of course, it's still IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, meaning it can survive submersion up to 6 meters. Display: 6.9-inch LTPO OLED. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts Apple's biggest display yet, a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED panel protected by third-generation ceramic shield glass. It supports 120 Hz ProMotion, allowing the refresh rate to drop as low as 1 Hz to save power. Apple's True Tone technology ensures colors remain consistent in different lighting conditions, and there's support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision for an immersive viewing experience. In terms of brightness, the display reaches 900 nits manually and up to 1,800 nits in auto mode, making it one of the brightest screens on any smartphone, perfect for outdoor use. Speaker and audio quality. The stereo speakers on the iPhone 16 Pro Max are similar to last year's model, delivering impressive loudness and clarity across the board. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or listening to music, the audio quality is top-notch. Storage and software, iOS 18. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or 1 terabyte of storage, but no microSD expansion, as expected from Apple. It ships with iOS 18, bringing new personalization options, enhanced AI features, and long-term software support for at least 5 years. A standout feature is Apple Intelligence, Apple's take on AI-powered tools. This includes text summarization, advanced Siri capabilities, AI-generated emojis, and smarter photo searches. However, these features will roll out later via a software update. Apple A18 Pro chip, performance and thermals under the hood. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest A18 Pro chipset, offering better power efficiency and improved performance over last year's A17 Pro. In benchmark tests, the iPhone 16 Pro Max scores around 15% higher in CPU performance and 20% better in GPU performance, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. Apple has also improved thermal management, with minimal performance throttling even during prolonged gaming sessions. Battery life and charging. Apple has slightly increased the battery capacity to 4,685 mAh, delivering outstanding battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max scored 17 hours and 18 minutes in active usage, making it one of the best performers in battery endurance. When it comes to charging, the phone still maxes out at 30 watts, reaching 46% in 30 minutes and taking almost 2 hours for a full charge. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are supported, but MagSafe speeds remain the same as last year. Cameras, a big upgrade. The camera setup remains largely unchanged, with 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, new upgrade. One major addition is the camera control key, a physical shutter button that lets you light press for UI control, double press for quick settings, press and hold to capture photos or videos. This is a nice touch for photography enthusiasts, but using the touchscreen still feels more intuitive in some situations. Main camera. Photo quality. Excellent sharpness and natural colors. Great low-light performance, true-to-life skin tones. At 2 times zoom, the main sensor provides solid digital zoom quality, and at 5 times zoom, the telephoto lens delivers detailed shots with accurate colors. However, 10x zoom starts to lose quality, lagging behind competitors like Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ultra-wide camera. Better detail thanks to the new 48-megapixel sensor, good color consistency with the main cam, autofocus allows macro photography. At night, however, ultra-wide shots lack the sharpness of the main camera and appear dim in difficult lighting. Selfie camera. Same sensor as last year, but still excellent. Great autofocus for various angles. Well-balanced exposure and skin tones. Video performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max can shoot 4K video with all its cameras, and this year, Apple has introduced 4K 120 FPS slow-motion recording, a first for iPhones. Daytime videos are incredibly sharp with no noise. Dynamic range is excellent across all cameras. Video stabilization remains industry-leading. However, internal reflections from bright lights can cause artifacts in nighttime videos, which is something Apple still needs to improve. Final verdict: should you upgrade? So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth it? Pros: biggest iPhone display ever, 6.9 inches, camera shutter button for improved usability, more powerful, A18 Pro chip, better ultra-wide camera, outstanding battery life. Cons: design is nearly identical to last year. Charging speeds remain the same. Camera upgrades are minor. If you already have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, upgrading may not be necessary. However, if you're coming from an older model, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is one of the best flagship phones on the market and worth considering. Let us know what you think. Will you be upgrading? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one. On Fire.